up guys, Widge the Wiz here. Today I'm going to be working on my CBR 600 F4i. I've got my buddy Aaron here today with me, and we're going to be replacing the rear set on this motorcycle. Last time I was at the track, unfortunately this bike went down and the rear set as well as the frame slider took the brunt of the force. We're going to tackle the frame slider another day, but today I'm going to show you how to replace your rear set with an adjustable set. Alright, here are the tools you're going to need. To start off, use your 5mm, 6 and 8mm hex sockets to disassemble your current rear set. Now, obviously this is an aftermarket rear set, so for the stock rear set you'll have to do something a little bit different, but the process is mostly the same. Keep disassembling until all that's left is your brake cylinder. Next, we'll start the assembly process. I've honestly had better luck with these rear sets by using Loctite, and it's better to be safe than sorry. I had an experience where one of these rear sets had fallen apart while I was on a ride, and that was not fun at all. If you don't have a vise, it's good to have a buddy around for this next part. When you assemble the foot peg, you should use high-strength thread locker. At least that's what I like to do, because for me, this is the part that falls apart most often. This next part might take a few tries to get right. Depending on how you ride will determine how high you want your brake lever to be adjusted onto the threads on the brake cylinder. The higher you have the lever screwed onto the threads, the lower the position of the foot lever will be for your rear brake. And the opposite is also true. The lower it is on the threads, the higher the lever will be. So for me, I find about halfway is perfect. Once you've found the proper position for your brake lever, you'll want to secure the brake lever to the brake cylinder itself. Now at this point you might be wondering, if you're using a stock rear set, how you can get your brake light to work. I had to switch my cable switch out for a hydraulic switch. If you want to learn more about that, please take a look at one of my other install videos. I have a detailed explanation on how to make that modification. Next, use medium strength thread locker and secure the brake lever bracket to the main rear set bracket. For me, the perfect position is center row, top row. Alright guys, so we got the new rear set installed. It feels great and seems to be working fantastic. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.